of this is unknown. It was just saying commissioning of solution innovation district. We don't know exactly what is going on there. Okay, now we saw the construction of 12-kilometer network of asphalted roads in Opoko. We saw the construction of a section of the old Oka Onitsha Expressway. This is very good. I believe this is supposed to be a federal road, if I'm not mistaken. We saw a construction of a section of it. That's good. Commissioning of modern stores in Angola. Okay, there were some stores that were set up in Angola, and Professor Charles Soludo commissioned them. Now, on the utility side, we saw the increased salaries for public servants by 10%. Very good. We also saw the reduction of the IGR being gotten from some of the transport workers. The charges were reduced also. We saw the signing of 13 MOEs with local and foreign investors. Very good. That's towards economy. Now, on the education side, we saw the expansion of free education policy to include the senior secondary school. Very good. We saw the granting of 1.524 billion naira to mission schools in Anambra State. So this is a grant used to support them. This is very good. Flagging off of the clean, green, and sustainable Anambra. So probably something towards eco-friendly, initiative. We saw the launching of Agune Chamber of Dugachi security operation. Now this one is most recent. Now we see the commissioning of a chain of market stores in Oka. Also, we saw the commissioning of 26-kilometer Mansudu Kueno Awa Ufuma Road. Commissioning that has been completed and commissioned. Very good. We saw the flagging off of 14.48 Unizik Obon Oka Isu and Yocha Road. Very good flagging off there. So it's supposed to still be under construction or almost completed. We saw the construction of general hospitals at Fege, Anako, Urome, Titi, and several other places. So general hospitals, very good. We saw the renovation and re-equipping of hospitals at Umere, Kulobi, Enugu, and some other places. So renovation, re-equipping of hospitals, very, very good. We saw the commissioning of Izira Achina Road. So commissioning has been completed. That's very good. We saw on the utility side, we saw the free antenatal signed for pregnant women in the state, across the state. This is exceptional. Okay. Now we'll go to the third page. Now before we go to the third page, you can see here now from this second page that on this side, nothing else has been done towards economy and education. You can see on this side that the amenities keeps going down. It's being done, the infrastructure and amenities, but nothing towards economy and education. So we keep that in mind as we scroll further down. Now we'll go to the third page. This is more or less the final page. We'll see yet on the infrastructure and amenities side, the recruitment of 1,000 workers into primary and secondary healthcare facilities. Now we saw the dualization of the Amobi and Golonanka Ekulobi Oga Road. So there's a dualization going on. We saw the launching of the Solution Fund City project. Now this is supposed to be, I don't know if I can say it's like a real estate project of the government. Then we saw the revival of the urban and rural water scheme. We should not be talking about water issue at this point of human societal development, but here we are anyway. Now on this side also you can see that the economy and education, nothing is being done. It's just ... there. Okay, empty.